Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and try on the Levi's 501 93 straight jeans. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So in this package is a pair of Levi's 501 93 straight jeans in the black, worn in black, or otherwise known as independent music colorway. And let's go ahead and open it up. Let's just check and see. And of course there is the receipt or invoice paperwork and giving you a look at this pair of Levi's 501 93 straight jeans in the black, worn in black, or independent music color, and just giving you an overall look at the pair of jeans before we take a much closer in look right now. I'm giving you a look at the tag details as well as the leather patch on the back of the jeans. Okay, and let's unfold the jeans so you have a much better look at its details. So you can see the slightly faded black of the jeans color, and of course the measurement of the jeans is 28 by 30, so a 28-inch waist by a 30-inch leg inseam. So giving you an overall look along the length of the jeans. And now we have a much better look at the back of the jeans. So once again giving you a look at its details up close now that it's been partially unfolded. So you can see the leather patch with the red and black detailing and the stitching as well, and the sizing information, W28 L30 and the 501 93, and a hang tag with the product information on it as well, or at least the label, and of course the Levi's label as well on the back pocket. I'm giving you a look at its details right there. And a sticker right there as well. And let's go ahead and unfold it. Actually, before I do that, just folding the leg back so you can get some sense of the overall details right there in one frame. And let's go ahead and now unfold it so we can see the front and back details as well. So right there, the front of the jeans. And flipping it over to reveal the back as well. And then we'll take a much closer in look at its details. So there, the back of the jeans. Let's try and get it in frame right there. And now let's take a look at the front so we can see the button fly of the jeans and the copper rivets and the overall stitching details, and of course the textile as well. So with the belt loops and the stitching and the copper studs, and of course the coin pocket or watch pocket, and the main shank button on the waist, and its details right there up close, and of course the copper rivet as well, so details right throughout, and the fly or front opening. And let's open up button fly with that button shank or shank button. And once again giving you a look at the details of the buttons, and hopefully we can achieve focus on the details. Let's bring it up close. Right there, the details of the shank button and the other buttons along the button fly, and of course the stitching details as well on the opposite side with the holes. And of course taking a look on the inside details on the back with the backs of the rivets, as well as the labels that are inside, so giving you a look at the garment and garment care labels, so composition labels and other associated labels. Let's take a look there and flip it over so you can see the details up close. And of course, always tricky to achieve focus on smaller objects. And of course the very fine print as well. And let's take a look at the other details on the reverse side. So plenty of information in various languages on the labels, and finally we have the sizing details right there. So this pair of jeans is made out of 100% cotton, so pure cotton jeans. And just giving you an overall look at the inside details as well. So pockets with some Levi's branding information printed on them, or at least on it, on the left pocket interior, and giving you a rest of the look of the tags for the jeans, and of course the leather patch and behind it as well. So overall stitching details right throughout. And of course the opening of the leg, just giving you a look at the hem of the jeans and the outseam as well. Once again taking a look back inside at the overall details of the jeans. And of course the crotch area as well, just giving you a look at the crotch with the opening or fly of the jeans. And now taking a look at the back of the jeans with the back pocket and the arcuate as well, or arcuate. So those are the details right there. The overall details of the jeans. Of course, pocket once again, giving you a look on the inside details with the copper studs and stitching, and of course once again the traditional watch pocket or now coin pocket. So giving you an overall look there from the front with the fly open and the overall details. Front as well as back, so you can see how the material, which is 100% cotton, moves and reacts as well. And I'm just going to fasten the buttons up again, or at least fasten them up. And lastly, the top button, and just to give it that full and tidy look right there, closed and flipped around towards the back, and the pocket details with the accurate stitching. Alright, now let's go ahead and try it on. I'm just going to pan the camera up. And come around. So I do have a 32-inch waist, and just holding a pair of Levi's 501 93 straight jeans right next to me, and of course once again the color is the independent music or black, worn in black. And the sizing once again of the jeans is 30-inch waist and actually I beg your pardon, 28-inch waist and 30-inch length. So once again, 28-inch waist, 30-inch inseam leg length. Now let's try it on. And once again, I do have a 32-inch waist, so it is a tight fit, but somehow I've managed to squeeze into it, and just fastening the buttons. Let's undo the top one and let's go button by button towards the top right there. Okay, so right there giving you a look at the jeans and how it sits on my 32-inch waist. So once again, 28 inches in size in terms of the waist of the jeans, and 30-inch inseam leg length. So right there, giving you an overall look and its details. And the overall fitment as well, so you can see it does just about fit on my 32-inch waist. So giving you once again a close-up. And of course the back as well. And I'm just pushing down the pockets of the jeans, so once again, now a much proper look there. At this pair of Levi's 501 93 straight jeans. And of course, just doing a squat. So that's the Levi's 501 93 straight jeans. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!